The crossover line from any snowmobile manufacturer is very popular. Crossover snowmobiles provide the best of both worlds, some deep powder capabilities and also on-trail riding. The Arctic Cat XF8000 141, I would say it's 60% deep powder, 40% trail. What comes with this 2016 XF8000 High Country is that it has Arctic's new front end called an AMS, which is Arctic Mountain Suspension. It has a sway bar and it also has a ski stance of 39 to 43 inches. Along with the new AMS front suspension, Arctic Cat has installed a new powder ski called the Pro Climb 7, 7-inch width at the tip, and then migrates down to 6.5 inches from the hoop on back, which improves its deep powder capability. It also has a deep keel, which allows it to really grip on the trail for cornering. It also has Arctic's new float action rear suspension. This is a 141 and its power claw track is a 2¼ inch. So therefore, that's what gives this XF8000 High Country some deep powder capabilities. Powered by the all-dependable Suzuki 800 motor that provides good response. And mated to this motor are two new clutches. The drive clutch and the driven clutch both come from Team. And so you have smooth engagement, and it also cuts down on belt temperature, which means that you'll be able to power along for a long time without any worry of belt fade. Okay, so let's say you're from flatland country, North Dakota. You want to come out here, do it. You'll enjoy it. You'll enjoy it for its trail mannerisms, and you'll also enjoy it for its deep powder capabilities. No, the XF8000 in the Pro Climb chassis is not an M8000, but I'm going to say, you know what, you can still do some mountain man deep powder riding in this. Check out the 2016 XF High Country 8000 at your Arctic Cat dealer, and also read about it here on Snowmobile.com.